Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guide 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have something I've been wanting to drive ever since it came out. This is the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392. This thing is awesome. Finished here in Anvil over the black with red leather interior. This thing is sick, and it sounds so good. Look at this interior. Of course, this has the removable hardtop. Being a 24, it's got the updated screen. It's a toolkit to remove the roof. The doors. Paddle shift is behind the wheel. Listen, I'm a big fan. Also, look at this graphic. You have the Jeep Wave graphic. I'm a big fan of Wranglers. I love them. I love this one a little bit more than I should. Mainly because of that. It just sounds absolutely incredible. 392 cubic inches, which converted to liters, 6.4. This features the exact same motor that was in my previous car, a 2019 Challenger TA 392. Except it's put in a Wrangler. I love this. I love this era of Dodge because this is, listen, we can't make big motors anymore. Let's just put it in everything we can. So they put it in the Durango, they put it in the Ram, for Hellcat. People are wondering, why didn't they put the Hellcat motor in this? Guys, I don't want that, honestly. This thing is so insane. You don't need the Hellcat motor. If anything, it would just make it even more outlandish and probably completely unsafe. You do have a button to turn on and off the performance exhaust. I've just left it on the entire time because why not? Oh my God. Holy cow. This is completely excessive. fact that we're putting all this power through 35-inch wheels, tires, it absolutely absurd. I will say this thing is way more stable than I fully expected it to be. I expected this thing to be all over the road. Under power, at that pole there, it's a little bit of a handful, but it's auto 4-wheel drive. There's no set 2-wheel drive mode, so you're not really running that risk of losing traction. Wow. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.